Starting an LLC in Arkansas is a smart way to protect your personal assets and officially launch your business. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can set up your LLC quickly and confidently. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Arkansas requires that the name be unique and not already in use by another business. You can check availability on the Arkansas Secretary of State's website. Don't forget, your name must include LLC, or Limited Liability Company. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization. In Arkansas, you can file online or by mail through the Secretary of State. The filing fee is $50, and once approved, your LLC is officially formed. After filing, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Arkansas doesn't legally require one, but having an operating agreement helps outline how your LLC will be managed, how profits are shared, and how decisions are made among members. Next, apply for an EIN from the IRS. It's free and quick to get online, and you'll need it for taxes, opening a business bank account, or hiring employees. Finally, Arkansas requires every LLC to file an annual franchise tax report to remain in good standing. The fee is $150, and it's due each year by May 1st. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC in Arkansas, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.